Hi everyone. Windows 11 version 24H2, also known as Windows 11 2024 Update, has just been officially released for everyone by Microsoft earlier this month. It is claimed to offer better performance, improved user interfaces, and new exciting features. Although some of those new major features and apps, such as Windows Recall, live captions, generative AI capabilities of Photos and Paint, are exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs, some of the generally available updates might still interest you. The new improvements such as paged and customizable quick settings, clearer File Explorer's context menu, multiple file format support for archive file creation, Copilot as a standalone web app, new Energy Saver mode, and Wi-Fi 7 support are just some of them. So if you are considering to upgrade your Windows to this new version, Microsoft offers 4 ways to do it. But please take note that since this Windows 11 24H2 is technically a new version, whichever way you choose, this upgrade requires complete reinstallation. However, unless you choose to do a clean reinstallation, the setup should preserve your existing files, settings, and applications. Alright, so let me first go back in time to when my Windows 11 was still version 23H2. So the first and the easiest way is through Windows updates on the Windows settings. This method, however, is not yet currently available to everyone. It's only made available to compatible devices running Windows 11 22H2 or 23H2 with good update history. If your PC is already on the Microsoft's list for upgrade, you should get a notification to do so. But if yours is not yet on the list like mine, then you can still force the upgrade with the other 3 methods, which are via Installation Assistant, Windows Media Creation Tool, or Windows 11 ISO. And for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 24H2 via the Installation Assistant. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to the official Windows 11 download page. For quick access, simply click the first link on this video's description and you should be brought to this page. On the Windows 11 download page, under Windows 11 Installation Assistant, click Download Now to download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Once successfully downloaded, run the Installation Assistant. If the Windows User Account Control dialog pops up, simply click Yes. Now before you can begin the Windows 11 installation, you will need to verify that your PC meets the requirements using the PC Health Check app. So click the Get PC Health Check app to download the app. Once successfully downloaded, double-click the PC Health Check installer to install the app. Accept the software license terms, and then click Install. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to run the PC Health Check. Now on the PC Health Check, click Check Now to let the app check if your PC meets the requirements for Windows 11 24H2. If your PC meets the requirements, you will get a confirmation message like this, and you are good to go. So now close this dialog and the PC Health Check, and then go back to the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click Refresh, and the Installation Assistant should show you the Windows 11 License Terms dialog. Then simply click Accept and Install to begin the Windows 11 24H2 installation. The whole process consists of 3 steps, namely downloading the installation's files, verifying the downloaded files, and then finally installing the Windows 11 24H2 itself. This may take up to an hour or so, depending on your internet speed and your PC specs. Once the 3rd step is completed, the Installation Assistant will ask you to restart your PC before it can continue the installation. If you don't take any action, the assistant will automatically restart your PC within 30 minutes. And if you choose to restart it later, your PC will also be automatically restarted when you are not using it. So here I'll just click Restart Now to continue the installation. Alright, so here it is, Windows 11 24H2. All my shortcuts on the desktop, taskbar, and the Start menu remain intact. So the upgrade really preserves your existing files, settings, and applications. And now, as the very final step of this upgrade process, you will need to clean up your storage or disk space from the temporary and backup files made by the Windows setup during the installation process. Since this is technically a Windows reinstallation, the setup actually still keeps your previous Windows installation in a folder named Windows.old. To clean up your storage from these files, go to the storage settings. So I will just search for storage, and then click Storage Settings. On the Storage Settings, click Temporary Files. On the Temporary Files, you should see previous Windows installations, which take up about 20 to 30 gigabytes. Select these files, and maybe other temporary files too, and then click Remove Files to reclaim the storage space. This process takes quite a while, so please be patient. Once the operation is done, your new Windows 11 24H2 is fully ready. Alright, so that's how easy it is to force upgrade your Windows 11 to the new version of 24H2 via Installation Assistant. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.